This is Scott the Fix-It Guy. Our goal with our videos is to empower you to be able to do the repairs on your own and save a whole lot of money and also get that great feeling of having fixed it by yourself. If your Miele dishwasher won't drain, you get a bunch of water left at the end of the cycle, here's the first thing to try. This often works. You just close the door, you're going to press you see the intake drain light flashing. You're going to press the start button here and you're going to hold it until you see the green light start to blink. Probably take about 3 seconds. Once it starts to blink, you just press it one more time, and what that'll do is it'll set up a drain cycle, drain all the water out of the dishwasher, and also reset the computer, kind of reset any of the error codes, and that may do the trick. If it still doesn't drain, then there's probably something caught in the drain tube or in the air gap up near the kitchen faucet, but it's very unlikely that the dishwasher itself is having trouble draining. So now this one we can see is draining really well. You can see the water shooting out here in the sink. That's going through the garbage disposal and then down to the drain sink line. So that just necessitated that reset procedure, which is really easy, and then all the water is drained out. So hope that works for you. It's so fast and easy, just pressing the start button for about 3 seconds until it blinks, green blinking, and then press it one more time, and that's all it takes to reset it. So thanks so much for watching, and please subscribe when you get a chance, and we'll send you some more Miele repair videos. Thanks again.